China's military just got a major AI upgrade, while America's data centers are literally tearing communities apart. This is AIWireDaily. The global arms race for AI-powered weapons has officially entered nuclear-age territory. China, the US, and Russia are in a full sprint to weaponize artificial intelligence faster than anyone else, deploying autonomous systems, predictive strike capabilities, and algorithmic warfare tools that would have seemed like science fiction 2 years ago. The comparison to nuclear proliferation isn't hyperbole anymore. It's the baseline for how serious this is getting. What this means for you. Geopolitical stability is now directly tied to whose AI stack is better. We're not talking about trade wars. We're talking about the underlying technology that determines military dominance for the next decade. My take? The country that cracks reliable autonomous decision-making in combat scenarios wins everything else. Meanwhile, America's building 4,000-plus data centers to fuel the AI boom, and local communities are finally waking up to the bill. These facilities consume absurd amounts of water and power, and towns from Texas to Virginia are mobilizing against them. Environmental groups and local governments are realizing that the computational arms race has a physical cost that someone, usually them personally, has to pay. This matters because data center expansion is directly tied to how fast any nation can scale its military AI. The more centers, the more training capacity, the faster the weapons development cycle. Here's the brutal part. The US is fighting itself. We need the infrastructure to compete globally, but every new facility triggers local resistance that slows us down. China's probably not having this problem. Credit decisioning just got supercharged by real-time AI agents that can instantly approve or decline your loan applications with almost no human in the loop. Banks are using AI to minimize false declines and improve authorization rates, which sounds good until you realize the algorithm's got your entire financial history and is making millisecond judgments based on patterns you can't see. This affects your wallet directly, better rates or instant rejections depending on what the model thinks you're worth. The danger here is invisible. If the AI is biased, you won't know why you got rejected. Nobody will. Expect regulatory headaches in 2027. American workplaces are being reshaped by AI integration right now, with employees either automating their way into redundancy or upskilling into irrelevance. New polling shows workers are anxious, and rightfully so. AI stock valuations are sending mixed signals because the market's pricing in productivity gains that haven't materialized yet, meaning we're holding inflated expectations that could crater fast. When reality meets hype, portfolios hurt. That's the AI news. Subscribe, this stuff moves fast.